This is the third part of the tutorial. I will show you how can you create your NCT by using myNCT. In the last part we modified the HTML files. Now we will test the window we have created. So first of all we have to restart the system. So I choose shutdown and restart. Okay, we have the new G code G911, and if I press space we have our new window. We have modified the pictures, we have modified the addresses ABC, and we have modified the text for it. So I type some number, and if I press the pipe we get the new line G911 ABC, and if I double click on it we go back to the window. And if I change the focus, the picture is modified. So I would like to show the code again. So we go G911 in the 911 box HTML. We have created the HTML file. HTML2 is created by the system, but we always have to modify always modify the HTML file. So I open it by Notepad again, and I show you some JavaScript. So there are the tag. This is the tag for a line. Type and name is for the NC address. But there are two event handler, which is called onKeyDown and changeImage. onKeyDown is created for the cursor buttons, so the arrow buttons. So if I go to the window and I press up and down, nothing happens. It is an error. So first of all I can show you how can you suppress it. So I want to go to the error suppressed button, and if I press it and if I press down, nothing happens. So the end user cannot see some magic error messages. So we can switch off this by using error suppressed button. So if we enable errors and we press the arrow button, we get the error. So we have to repair it. So we close the window, we go back to our files, and we we should change the chain. So we should set here that A is followed by B and B is followed by C, and C is after B, and B is after A, and A is after L. It should be good. So if I save it and I go back to my window and I press double click, and now the arrow buttons is good, but we have problem because if we press an up button at R, something is wrong. So we go to our code. We have have to find the line for R, and we set that R is after C. We save it again. We go back to the window, we close it, and we open it again. And we go to R and we press the up button, and it works.